one and all. Thank you for your place and warm welcome. I am Shah, and we are here today because we love the music and culture that evokes the spirit of Black Panther and this kingdom of Wakanda. The sounds, the textures, as you just said, each has its own unique flavor and personality. As some of you may know, Black Panther, also known as King T'Challa, hails from the kingdom of Wakanda. The community and culture of this mythical land inspires the instruments that you see before you. For example, the border community, made up of shepherds and farmers, uses the rhythm of the tama, also known as the talking drum, to summon others. You can hear the echoes of their pastoral drums in the music. The mining community is responsible for extracting valuable minerals from Wakanda, including the precious substance breathing. Thus, you can hear the melodious tones of their vibranium handpan. Then there is the Jabari community who come from the mountains of Wakanda and avoid the use of vibranium or natural elements like wood. Hence, the Jabari Jimbe. Now, when we combine these magical instruments together, well, the result is magic. A song without a message. Thus we add voice to carry our message on the wind. Hey, I have an idea. Perhaps we have inspired you like the people of Wakanda have inspired us to play. So why don't you join in with us, creating your own unique rhythms and adding your voice? Would you like that? Yes? Okay, well I need the strongest amongst its gathering to join me today. Who is strong? Who is the warrior? Who is ready? I see some people this way. Maybe you come forward. Come forward. I need you to stand right over here for me. Stand right here. And let's see who wants to come forward. You come forward. Okay, I'm going to have you stand right here in the middle. Right here. And you right here in this triangle. Right there, perfect. And I need one more person. Oh, we have a volunteer. Come forward. Give them a round of applause. Come forward. Hello, how are you today? Stand right there for me. All right, we will start down here. How are you? What is your name? Tell me. Emily, it is good to meet you, Emily. Emily, do you have rhythm? Maybe. We are going to find out right now. Michael's going to bring down a tama, he's going to play the rhythm, and I want you to imitate the rhythm. Ready to try that? It's very simple, very fun. Here you go. Okay, the rhythm is better. Very good. Keep the rhythm in your heart. I'll be right back. How are you today? Good. What is your name? What's your name? It's good to meet you. You remember the minor community? They communicate with the voices like this. Okay. Very simple. 3 notes. I want to say la la la. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, turn it up for this to hear you. Ready? And oh yeah, the voice is like so good. Remember that song that came right to you? Hello, how are you today? I am good. What is your name? All right, it's good to meet you. I want you to join in with me in creating the elements, the wind and the rain. Okay? So Tina's going to bring down an instrument to represent the rain, and then we will use our voice to add the elements of wind. Okay? So, the elements of rain. Take a look. There we are. Okay, now, I need you to be pumping your lips like this. Right? And the sound of wind. Okay, let's put it together. The wind and the rain. Ah, very good. All right. It looks like the whole band is together, so we want to try it together, okay? On the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. La la la. Very beautiful. Come on, Tita. Okay, that's good. Give her a round of applause. All right. Now, we invite all of you to join in with us. This side right here, all of you from this angle, all the way up to the top. We will represent the rhythm, okay? So we're going to come together with the rhythm, okay? Very good. And the middle section all the way up, I want you to raise your voice with the la, la, la. Okay, let me hear you. Very good. Okay, and this side, fourth is the major. The wind and the rain. All right, let's put it all together. Here we go. We are going to start with the rhythm, okay? And 1, 2, ready, start. Let me hear you. All right. Are we ready? Hopefully. Let me all of you. Sounds of nature. Let me hear you. A little louder. One more time. All right. Thank you, thank you. You may now return to your communities. Yes. Thank you, thank you. Wow, very good. That was very exciting. You have come together like 3 communities to create something truly special. You will see that no matter where you are, no matter what path you are on, when you get this, you are immediately drawn to It has been a pleasure to be with you today. And thank you for joining us. Until we meet again.